Ayan, let's eat guys. Good morning. This is my food for today guys. Ayan, bagong kuha to siya guys. Ayan, dahil malapit tayo sa dagat, meron tayong crabs guys. Charan. Charan. Ayan, ito yung na-miss ko guys sa province. Ayan, dahil, ayan, nag-vacation yung ating ano guys dito sa amin. So, meron tayong sariwang isda. Ayan guys. Charan! Ayan yung isda natin ngayon guys. Ayan. Na-miss kong kumain ito guys. Ayan. Sa province kasi guys, malapit kami sa dagat. Malapit kami sa dagat guys. So, na-miss kong kumain ng isda. Fresh isda. So yummy. Alcohol muna tayo guys. Kasi sarap kumain ng nakakamay guys. I really love it. Alcohol tayo. Ayan, na-miss kong kumain ng crabs guys. Maliliit pa nga lang to guys yung ating crabs. Oh my god. Buhay pa. Buhay pa ito yung ating crabs. So yummy. I forgot to take a picture. Mag-take a picture muna tayo guys. I forgot to take a picture. Ayan. So, I will take a picture first. Take a picture first, guys, on my crabs. Ayan. My food for today. Ayong rice. Charan! And this is my, ano, guys, daily routine. Take a picture while, ano, before eating, guys. Ayan. As a content creator guys, ayan, take a picture bago kumain. So, ayan, let's eat. Ito yung aking na-miss kainin guys, yung ating crabs. Ayan, na-miss kong kumain ng malalaking crabs guys. Ayan. Ito guys, marami to sa province namin guys, sa Zamboanga. Oh my god. Guys, look, ayan yung kanyang laman guys, oh. Ang taba niya guys, ayan. Kita nyo ba to guys? Oh my god. So yummy na to guys. Ayan, ito na yung kanyang laman. Ang sarap niya guys. Sarap to siya guys pag ginataan. Ginataan siya guys. Yan ating crabs. Super yummy. Ito yung na-miss ko guys. Na-miss ko sa province. Marami to siya sa province namin guys. Kasi malapit kami sa dagat. Ayan. Let's eat. Ayan. Kailangan guys, kailangan matibay ang iyong ano nito, ipin. Tibay ang ipin guys. Same. Ayan, sipsipin. Sarap to siya sipsipin guys. Yan. Oh my god. Ayan, matigas siya guys. So, ayan po. Dahan-dahan tayo guys. Baka mamaya masira yung ipin natin. Ayan guys. Oh look. Ayan. Ang taba ng kanyang ano sa loob guys. So yummy. Ang paborito ko nito guys, ginataan. Sarap to siya ginataan guys. Lagyan ng gata. Okay. So yummy. Aking food for today. Ano natin guys. Sarap. Yan guys. Busog niya ako guys. Kunting kain lang. Ating isda. Tikman din natin. Kakaibang isda to siya guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag nito. What kind of fish of this? Ayan. Diba? I love it. So yummy guys. So yummy. Mantaan na lagay natin dito. Totoo ang laman. Yan. Yan. So, sold na yung aking lunchtime, guys. Lunch for today. So, yummy. Crabs natin na, ano, ayan. So, yummy, guys. Ating crabs. I really love it. Yan guys, naubos ko yung isa. Yung isa natin guys, medyo maliit siya. Medyo maliit siya guys. Ayan, parang wala pa tong laman. Ayan, so I am finished guys. Yung isda lang kinain ko guys. Okay? Naka-isang crabs ako. Yan, at busog na ako guys. So full na. Ayan, natin isda guys. Yung tinik niya. Ayan, namiss kong kumain ng isda dun sa province namin guys. Ayan. Yung malalaking isda. Tambakol siya guys. So yummy. Ayan, naubos ko na yung rice ko guys. 1/4 cup of rice. My diet. So, ayan guys. I'm done guys. So yummy. Love it.